So tell me how you're feeling. Awful? I'm sorry.
This patient, like most others here for COVID-19, had not been vaccinated.
Why was it again? Did you have a reason not to, or you just never got around to it? She didn't think it was necessary.
At this hospital in one of the nation's COVID-19 hotspots, doctors and nurses are racing to save lives.
74-year-old female, COVID positive, unvaccinated, 57 years old, COVID, pneumonia. So she'd been sick for about 10 days. Somebody came in, he had a lot of weakness, said he almost passed out.
Their COVID-19 unit had closed in March after discharging the last patient. Now it's back open and filled at capacity. The majority are unvaccinated.
I just want you to know I pray for you guys all the time. And I know you're here working hard, and I'm sorry we're going through this, but we'll get through it together. Yeah.
Can you tell us what it's been like to walk these hallways in the last couple of months?
It's been very hard and very scary because you see the same rooms that other patients have passed in that you've tried to save, and the rooms continue to fill up as fast as you can get patients home and out of here. Back then, it wasn't preventable, and now it has become preventable. That makes it even harder this go around than it was last time. It just never had to happen. It makes it extra hard. And Mr. Brumley was another perfect example of doing fine. He was well enough at home. He got sick, but not sick enough. And then all of a sudden he came in and he was more short of breath than usual, but no other medical problems, nothing to predict that he would be in a population of people who would be this sick.
Looking back through the struggles that I've had with my breathing, it really kind of changed my perspective on this whole situation. I definitely feel strongly about having the vaccination and making sure my family is vaccinated.
We felt it was really important to get the vaccine to help out the community because we've seen cases have been rising.
I'm not so much worried about myself, it's everybody around me.
I love Arkansas. I think it's a beautiful state and there's a lot of good people here, but there's just a lot of misinformation going around, and unfortunately they're kind of the brunt of it.
Of those Americans who are fully vaccinated, merely 1 in 1,000 have returned a positive test result for COVID-19 so far, and the chances of falling seriously ill are minuscule. 161 million Americans are fully vaccinated, and only 6,000 of those were hospitalized or died. That's 3 in 100,000 vaccinated Americans, or 1 in 100,000 if you're under the age of 65. Still, not everyone is on board.
I would like to see our vaccination rate go up, but I know we have some people here that some have just have put it off, some people are resisting it.
We should all stand in line for an unproven, untested vaccine that doesn't even seem to really protect people because people who've got the vaccine are getting sick.
Statewide, 98% of the people who are hospitalized have not been vaccinated.
According to new studies, 81% of the unvaccinated population is convinced they won't get it.
I'm not going to do it. I don't take any vaccines. I social distance.
Back at the hospital, Timothy has one last message to healthcare workers and his family.
The doctors for sure for helping me through this far and just continue to get me through this, and of course my family. Just really miss them. Ready to be home.